Have you ever dreamed of turning your culinary passion into a thriving career? Well, starting a personal chef business might be your perfect opportunity to do just that. In this video, I'll show you how to start a personal chef business. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Taylor Brands. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC and get a free business plan. And without further ado, let's get started. Is becoming a personal chef right for you? Starting a personal chef business is an excellent choice for those who love cooking and creating delicious meals tailored to clients' preferences. If you find joy in preparing meals and experimenting with new recipes, and if you have a knack for pleasing others with your culinary creations, this could be the ideal career path for you. Understanding the role of a personal chef. A personal chef's day is filled with various activities centered around food preparation and client interaction. Most of your time will be spent preparing meals at your clients' homes or in your own kitchen. In addition to cooking, you'll be researching recipes, learning new techniques, and staying updated on the latest culinary trends. Administrative tasks such as client billing, marketing, logistics, and scheduling will also be part of your routine. To excel as a personal chef, it's crucial to have strong culinary skills and the ability to personalize meals according to your clients' tastes. Building good relationships with clients is just as important as cooking skills, as you'll need to communicate effectively, understand their preferences, and ensure they're satisfied with your services. Crafting a solid business plan. Before you start your personal chef business, it's essential to have a well thought out business plan. This plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through the various stages of starting and growing your business. Your business plan should include market research, identification of your target audience, competition analysis, and financial projections. Start by defining your business goals, both short-term and long-term. Understand your market and potential clients. Are you targeting busy professionals, families, or health-conscious individuals? Analyze your competitors to identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Financial projections will help you understand the costs involved and set realistic revenue targets. Effective planning is critical to running a successful personal chef business. Create detailed menus that cater to various dietary needs and culinary preferences. Practice cooking these menus to refine your skills and improve efficiency. Gather all necessary ingredients and track the costs and time involved in shopping and preparation. Cook each meal, noting the time it takes from start to finish, including cleanup. This practice will help you develop a realistic understanding of the time and effort required for each dish. If possible, practice cooking in different environments, such as your friend's kitchen. This experience will prepare you for working in clients' homes and help you become more adaptable. Legal requirements and licensing. Legal requirements and licensing are critical aspects of starting a personal chef business. Depending on where you live, you may need various permits and licenses to operate legally. Common requirements include a food safety certificate, a DBA, doing business as registration, a business license, and possibly a catering license. Obtaining a food safety certificate ensures you understand proper food handling and preparation techniques to prevent foodborne illnesses. Registering a DBA is necessary if you plan to operate under a business name other than your own. Some states may also require a general business license and a catering license if you prepared food off-site. Additionally, it's wise to consider forming an LLC, a limited liability company. An LLC provides personal liability protection, separating your personal assets from your business liabilities. This structure is beneficial if a client ever claims that your food made them ill or if you accidentally damage something in their home. Setting up your kitchen and equipment. Having the right kitchen setup and equipment is crucial for a personal chef. Your kitchen should be equipped with high-quality tools and appliances to ensure efficiency and food safety. If you plan to cook at home, make sure your kitchen meets all health and safety regulations. Alternatively, you might consider renting a commercial kitchen. A commercial kitchen, also known as a ghost kitchen, can be an excellent option if you need more space or better equipment. Renting a commercial kitchen allows you to access professional-grade tools without the significant upfront costs of purchasing them. Before deciding, ensure the commercial kitchen complies with all local regulations and is suitable for your needs. Effective marketing strategies and crafting your business website. Marketing your personal chef business is vital to attracting clients and growing your brand. Start by creating a professional brand identity, including a logo and business cards. Establish an online presence through a website and social media profiles. Professional website is a must-have. Your website should clearly outline your services, showcase sample menus, and provide a way for potential clients to contact you. Use tools like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress to create your site without needing technical skills. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines to attract more visitors. Include an about page that tells your story, a services page detailing what you offer, a menu page showcasing sample menus, and a contact page with your information and a contact form. Adding client testimonials and high-quality photos of your dishes can enhance your website's appeal. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Share photos of your dishes, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your cooking process, and client testimonials. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Networking is another effective way to market your business. Build relationships with local businesses, event planners, and health professionals who can refer clients to you. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and participate in local food markets to increase your visibility. Consider using targeted advertising to reach potential clients. Online ads on platforms like Google and Facebook can be highly effective. You can also use direct mail campaigns to promote your services in specific neighborhoods. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews and refer others to your business. Setting your prices. Setting the right prices for your services is crucial for profitability. When determining your rates, consider the cost of ingredients, your labor, and any overhead expenses. Research your competitors to understand the market rates and ensure your prices are competitive yet profitable. Offering different pricing packages can help attract a diverse client base. For instance, you might offer weekly meal prep packages, special event services, or personalized meal plans. Providing discounts for long-term contracts or referrals can also incentivize clients to choose your services. Managing client relationships. Building and maintaining strong client relationships is essential for a successful personal chef business. Effective communication is key to understanding your clients' preferences and dietary needs. Be attentive to their feedback and willing to make adjustments to ensure their satisfaction. Always handle complaints professionally and use them as an opportunity to improve your services. Happy clients are likely to refer you to others and provide positive reviews, which can significantly boost your business. Challenges in the personal chef industry. Starting a personal chef comes with its challenges. Finding and retaining clients can be difficult, especially if you lack professional experience. Consider starting with a side hustle or working as an independent contractor to build your network and gain valuable testimonials. Balancing creativity with client preferences can also be challenging. While you may have a particular vision for a dish, it's essential to prioritize your clients' tastes and dietary restrictions. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial in this industry. Time management is another significant challenge. Cooking is time-consuming, and you must efficiently manage your time to meet clients' schedules. Plan your meals carefully, considering how to maximize efficiency in the kitchen. So, starting a personal chef business requires a blend of culinary skills, business acumen, and excellent customer service. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can build a successful and rewarding career as a personal chef. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Taylor Brands. Click the link in the description of this video to start your LLC and get a free business plan. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.